This geometric knot is the Trinity, and it's the most popular tail knot in the world. Everyone else is showing you the hard way to tie this knot. I'll show you the most versatile, easy way. I'll also show you the trick to create both the triangle pattern and the star pattern. So let's tie it all together with number 7 in the top 50 knots. Throw our Trinity tie over your neck with the blade or wide end on the right. Get the length right by aligning the tip of the blade with your belt. This knot is tied with the tail or skinny end. That's why we call it a tail knot and start with the tail much longer. Slow the playback speed if the next steps go too quick. Dimple the blade and cross the tail over the blade to create the neck loop. Sneak the tail behind the blade and then down through the neck loop to the right to start the knot. Create the bottom loop by taking the tail in front of the knot and then up through the neck loop. Take the tail down through the bottom loop, and now we're ready to decide which pattern we want our stripes to make.
You must choose, but choose wisely.
I'll show you the triangle first and then show you the star after. Take the tail behind the knot to the left, which creates the right loop. Now finish the right loop by taking the tail through it. Get the pattern just right by shaping and tightening the knot. You can tighten the bottom loop by pulling up on the right loop. You can tighten the right loop by pulling left on the left loop. And you can tighten the tail by pulling it up. If you don't like the shape you got your first try, just play some more by loosening or tightening until you get a nice pattern. This knot is tied and almost done with the stripes in a triangle pattern. But before I show you how to cinch it and finish it, let me show you how to create a star pattern. Untie it back to the point where you chose wisely on the triangle pattern. It's right after we went down through the bottom loop. This tie has a British stripe, which points to the left shoulder, so it creates a triangle shape when we went behind it to the left. If we go behind the knot to the right, we get a star shape. Just finish the left loop by taking the tail through it and tighten till your star looks great. Cinch the knot by holding the blade and pushing the knot up to your righteous neck. Finish by tucking the tail between your neck loop and your collar. If you didn't get it tied, rewind and reduce the playback speed. Voila! You look ready for church in your perfect Trinity knot. If your tie is too short to cover the button of your trousers, get the length right at the start by making it longer, or shorter if it's too long. It's no surprise that this is the most popular tail knot in the world. Humans are naturally drawn to triads. From the 3-act structure in storytelling to the rule of 3 in comedy, there is power in 3. Even slogans like life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are more memorable in a short list of 3. For a similar reason, this knot is also incredibly popular at church because of the Christian belief in God the Father, His Son Jesus Christ, and in the Holy Ghost. I'm wearing a gray wool made-to-measure suit that pairs well with the gray in the Trinity tie from MyNiceTie.com. My white French cuff shirt with silver Hebrew initial cufflinks goes well with any suit or tie color. And I've added a little more color and pattern with a silk orange paisley pocket square. My chronograph watch matches both the metal on my cufflinks and the leather on my belt and shoes. And I'm sporting my signature fragrance of Coach for Men. Let me know in the comments if you wear this with a pattern of a star, a triangle, or neither. If you enjoy this knot, you may find more you'll enjoy on our Top 50 Knots playlist. And give your suit even more personality by folding a pocket square with this video here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.